Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
In line with the directive of President Bola Tinubu on the execution of legacy projects in the Niger Delta region, the Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has approved the completion of the stalled Niger Delta Regional Specialist Orthopedic and Cardiovascular Hospital in Rivers State. Ogbuku made this known last week during the inspection of the hospital facility in the company of the Commission's team in Port Harcourt, Rivers State.
Under the leadership of Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has been deliberate in following up on the state of some of its over 13,000 stalled and abandoned projects in the Niger Delta region. To ensure that the funds expended on some of these projects are not wasted, the Commission is resolute in its quest to complete ongoing and abandoned projects in the region to deliver on its vision of facilitating the rapid and sustainable development of the Niger Delta. One of such projects is the stalled NDR Specialist Orthopedic and Cardiovascular Hospital in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. After assessing the state of completion of the project, the Managing Director, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, directed that necessary resources be put in place for the quick completion of the facility.
It's a specialist hospital, which is what we are looking for in the Niger Delta, to ensure that we have specialist hospitals that will also attract people from different parts of the world to come and get themselves treated.
Dr. Ogbuku recalled that in the past, some of its facilities that were completed and handed over to beneficiaries did not flourish due to poor maintenance culture. Given the enormity of running such a large hospital facility, he added that the Commission was ready to collaborate with reputable partners in the efficient and effective management of the medical facility according to global best practices after completion.
For us to even finish this project, we have to start discussing with partners that are already specialists in running hospitals, so that at this point of finishing, they will also put heads together with us to put some finishing touches to it in a way that it will also suit their purpose and to give a proper service delivery.
The hospital is a two-story building divided into the cardiovascular section and the orthopedic section, which is at 90% state of completion. When completed, it will be a state-of-the-art facility that will cater to the orthopedic and cardiovascular health needs of the Niger Delta people in particular and the general public at large. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,